5 more minutes. How's it going, guys? My name is Jaden, and welcome to this challenge. Oh my god, this is gonna be sour. I already tasted it once. It's a really good flavor, but really sour and sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna begin with my teeth inside it. Huh? Ah! Ah. So tastes sour fire truck. Oh god. Ah! I'm gonna do it with a song. I'm gonna try to sing a song. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the song. What song shall I do? Raise your hand if you want. Bow, chicka, wow, wow, what you gonna say? Act like you go, whatever. Or cooler than me. Bow, chicka, wow, wow, raise. Cooler than me, raise. Bow, chicka, wow, wow. Got it. Bow, chicka, wow, wow, what you gonna say? You act like you gon' leave, but I know that you will stay. Mm-hmm. 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 But I know that you will stay. Break it down, break it. Even play. What's that simple right? It sounds like began. What's it lonely? Wow. Ah. Go. What's it throwing is? What's it throwing is? It's wow. Knock knock, baby, come around. I'm dead. Yeah. That's deeper and I'm cheaper. Doesn't matter. Well, alright. What you want, right? Ah, throwing in. I was thinking like, you were staying down, down, good, don't even play. Once I say, oh, I like, you wait, you can't even come down. The flowers in the way. Oh my. Like, I'll go. 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 Throwing it up. Now you say. I put down. So people play. Once I said the moon, I'm like, make it sound like, black man, like, the shit. Now, cigarette, say shit. Okay, that's it. That's it. Oh my god. Uh, I ate too little. It's impossible to read it all. Well, not impossible, but it's hard a lot. Now, this is a whatever it is, slug. This is better. Ah, no, the slug is better. The slug is better.